Hello YouTube, and today we're gonna show you how to fix your own laptop. This also works with viruses. So if you have a virus on your laptop, you can also do this. So first what you're gonna need is hot water, and you also need some soap and lots of it. And then take your laptop and wait with putting it into water. So first we will clean it.
We take this.
Then we
For helvede.
and the water is very hot, as you can hear my friends saying.
Okay.
Now that we have cleaned it, we will open the laptop.
Shit. Jeg kan nok glæde.
And as you can see,
okay, we take this.
then we put water on the screen and soap. And soap on the keyboard. And we wash it.
Sig, at jeg skal komme ned under tasterne.
You need to get under the keyboard to wash it properly. And you also need a knife to get the buttons off.
Jeg tager noget tid det her.
And it's probably going to take some time, so but we don't have the time.
Husk at det virker.
And this really works, so feel free to try it yourself. And there was a tea through in the water.
Jeg kan ikke engang få den nedover.
So as you can see, there's a little hole that we are filling up with water. And yeah. And so we are adding.
Computer's clean.
And now for the finishing touch, we will need some more tools. But while doing that, I will fix this computer. So you can see where you put the cables. We will try to wash that too. You can just... Okay, so we can't find the hammer yet. And now he found it.
Fuck, det virker ikke.
And the water just spilled on the floor.
Now we're gonna
fix the CD thing.
Ej, der ryger alt muligt ud i vasken. Og så bagefter smider vi det ud i vinduet.
And afterwards we're gonna throw it out the window. Because we don't need it.
Vi skal nok skynde os.
And we need to fix the screen.
Okay, nu gider jeg ikke det her mere.
And we're done.
Jeppa!
So now we're gonna throw it out the computer out the window. I hope you can see it. But yeah.
Hello YouTube.
That is how you fix your own laptop.